Hello, welcome back to Cooking Around's channel. Hello. Today I have one recipe that I always enjoy, I always eat. What is it? Mediterranean house steak. Now, this is a thinner cut steak because I used a high grade sirloin steak. In America, we would call it triple A. But I like it thin like this because it absorbs more of that wine sauce that is created. And guess what? If you put an egg on top, it is absolutely perfect. Now here my egg, I like it just a little bit on the harder side. But if you want a little bit runny, that's up to you. So let me show you how to put this together. And I know you will enjoy this. Get your favorite frying pan and with the heat up high, let's add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now here I have my sirloin steaks about half an inch thick and I have them resting with sliced garlic on top. Now that the pan is hot, just drop it right into the pan like this. And now I'm adding some kosher salt. I like this rough type of salt I'm using. And now what I'd like you to do is just gently move the steaks around because I don't want them to stick. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. I'm just taking a peek underneath and see if they're done. But you know something? They're really not there yet. So let it go for another minute. Okay, one side is done, so what I'm going to do is just flip them over just like this. Now on the other side, you don't have to cook it right through. In fact, I like the steak in the center a little undercooked at this time. Alright, they're done. So I'm removing them, put them on a plate to the side and let them rest. And now, here it comes, the essence of the essence. About half a cup of red wine. Now you can use white wine, you can even use beer, but I want you to use your favorite wine or beer that it will make you happy. Now go ahead and add as much as fresh ground pepper as you like. Guess what? The more the better. Now this is an option. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Portuguese Piri Piri, and this will bring out the flavor of the dish. Now add 1 tablespoon of HP sauce or Worcestershire sauce, whichever you have on hand. Now this is an option. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Now with the temperature still on high, let's start reducing this sauce and let's keep on stirring it and stirring to get all those juices off the bottom. When you can push back the sauce like this and it streaks, you know that the sauce is ready. Now I'm going to add about half a cup of heavy cream. And this is what is going to give you that nice creamy rich taste to your steak. Okay, now just return the 2 steaks back to the pan, reduce the heat to medium, and I want you to move them around and flip them to get that sauce everywhere around the steak. Now to keep up with tradition, I am now adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and this is going to make the sauce even richer. Now once again, I want you to move it around and I want you to make sure the sauce goes everywhere. So at this point, turn the heat off and I slowly start blending the butter to go around everywhere to make this one awesome dish. Now, my mother used to make this for me and this is exactly how she made it. So, again, I have to say thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you on my next video. And once again, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.